Embassy of the Republic of the Philippines. Bago na sila. Bago na dia guys. Oh, bago na sila. Oh. Awa ni guys. Bago na nilang kuhan. Oh. Bago na ning entrance dire. Dire guys. Bago nang entrance ni nindot na guys. Oh, Embassy of the Philippines. Alright. Dito. Okay. Kaya Gede? Okay guys. Silong guys. Saan na access ang sugar guys? Centro Rizal. Picture na dato eh. Picture mo tin. Picture. 1, 2, smile. Right. Let's go. Yeah. Palpak. Palpak ang lakaw. Traffic pa dito. Republic of the Philippines Embassy. Oh, the Republic of the Philippines. Bago na. Alright. Guys, bago na ni guys. Mahala guys. Alright. Ito po na mo diri. Oh, ha?